Pandas every nth row. Data frame.resample works only with time series data. I cannot find a way of getting every nth row from non-time series data. What is the best method?
I'd use illoc, which takes a row/column slice, both based on integer position and following normal Python syntax. If you want every fifth row,
Though at CRISP's accepted answer does answer the question, I would like to add to it the following. A simple method I use to get the nth data or drop the nth row is the following. This arithmetic-based sampling has the ability to enable even more complex row selections. This assumes, of course, that you have an index column of ordered, consecutive integers starting at 0.
There is an even simpler solution to the accepted answer that involves directly invoking df._getItem_. For example, to get every 2 rows, you can do There's also groupie.first/groupie.head. You group on the index. The index is floor div by the stride, 2, in this case. If the index is non-numeric, instead do
Adding reset_index to metastable's answer allows you to only need to assume that the rows are ordered and consecutive. df.reset_index.index will create an index that starts at 0 and increments by 1, allowing you to use the modulo easily.
If you want to see more